What's going on, guys? This is Chase with the Journey HQ, and today I'm going to be building another awning. Y'all see my previous video where I built an awning for the front of the building out of a old Ford F100 unibody hood, the one that's on the front of the wall. This Ford right here. That's the one, and this one. So I took the hood, and it's over here, and made an awning. So if y'all can see, and what this did is it stopped rain from hitting that door and allowing rainwater to get in. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but this door, right here. I've dug this trench out, trying to help, thinking that the water was backing up and getting up to here, but that's not the case. Water flows out, we got gutters, but it's just water hitting this and then landing down here and getting inside the building. So my solution for that is I'm gonna take an old tailgate, make a dang awning. We'll see if that works. All right, so we've got this, I believe it's a 93 GMC. What's cool, yeah, it's a 93 GMC. What's cool is it was sold at my grandfather's dealership. This is gonna be a project. We've already got all the parts, drop. We've got roll pan, radiators, new grill, rearview mirrors. Man, there's a lot of parts and pieces in the bed of this truck. We're just waiting. We had enough time, we get this one finished. But the tailgate was all jacked up, so we got a new one. That's the new one on there. As you can see, this thing is pretty dented up. It's got a big dent in it, so that's why we bought a new one. Well, right there is what makes it cool, because it came from my grandfather. That was Connor. He was the Connard in the Thielen. This was his partner. But anyways, it's here in Palestine, Texas. I believe it was opened up in like 62. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check that. But this truck came from his lot. It was a one-owner truck, that truck that you saw up there. But I'm gonna repurpose this to stop the rain. We'll see if we can do it. Kind of figured out how I'm gonna attack this. I've got the angle, I've got some angle iron. But I've got a little problem. This right here is sticking out a little bit too far. And what I wanna do is get something to attach. I wanna take another piece of angle iron and weld it to here and then attach it to the back of this. That way it's flat up against the wall. What I'm gonna do is cut this off right here with the Sawzall. All right, let's get to it. Get it nice and flat, just like I want it. And I'll do the other side. All right, if y'all can see what I've got done, got me a little L made out of angle iron. I had to cut some pieces off on the end, but it's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna take a one of these crush, whatever these things are called, a thread setter. And I'm probably gonna put one right here, and then I'm gonna put one right here. And then weld all this up, go attach it on the wall. I'm almost done. Y'all stay tuned, I will be back tomorrow finishing this. Good morning. It is Tuesday, another day, and I'm getting up here to the shop bright and early. Got here before anybody else. Well, Caleb got here the same time I did with the Total Exterior Clean crew. They're off to do a job, get a house ready for sale, and I'm just getting stuff going this morning. I've got to fix this fan over here because it keeps, it's got like a ticking noise. Got to figure out where the heck that's from. Listen. Oh, you're gonna stop now? Seriously? What? Oh, heck yeah. Abracadabra, I fixed it. That's awesome. That's fixed now. I was gonna take it all apart and figure out where that squeak was coming from. I don't gotta do that now. But I do have to finish up on this project. And look, we got Mr. Redbird. He just hangs out. Where is he? Let's see if we can see him. Y'all see him? Comes in here and just oh, there he went. He finally figured out how to get out of here. First day he came in, he couldn't figure out how to get out. And now he just keeps coming back. Anyway, we got a Redbird that hangs out. But what I gotta do now is finish this project. And so what I've come to figure out, went home, I slept on it. And what I need to do, I'm gonna take a 1/2 inch off of this. So this raises up and I can go ahead and drill out this hole a little bit more, and everything's gonna line out so I can put this bolt in there. Let's do that now. All right, so here's what I've got after taking a 1/2 inch off both. I took it off both sides. Problem is, see right here, it's gonna work on this side. It's gonna raise it up enough to where these holes will line up. I can drill a hole right here. But on the other side, this tailgate has had a little accident. It's not straight, it's bent pretty bad. So on this side, a 1/2 inch isn't big enough. Still on the ground, and you can still see the top of the hole right here. So I need it to come up just a little bit. I need to come up about a 1/4 inch on this side, and that should be straight. So I'm gonna take off a 1/4 inch off of this. All right, taking a 1/4 inch off of this is perfect. So now all I've got to do is weld her up. Got the Miller Multimatic 235. This thing is freaking awesome because it's got a digital screen readout, and it allows you to set the thickness of your metal, and then you just go to town welding. We put it on this Chicago electric welding cart. It's a little big, but the handle makes it work. Let's get to welding. Noob welder here. Almost forgot that I needed a ground, so we're gonna make us a little spot. That's your ground. I'm gonna go uphill. That looks like crap. I've got it welded up. Woo, that's hot. Look at that. It's gonna work. So now I just have to drill a hole and drill a hole here and here, here and here, and attach it to here. Let's do the other side first. And we should be able to hang. Then drill some other holes right here to attach it into the wall. Dude. Freaking fabricator. Look at this crap. I didn't know I woke up this morning a damn professional awning maker, but I did. If I knew where stuff was at. My ADHD is kicking in high gear this morning. Woo! Let's get us another ground. A spot that'll ground. Let's get this back again. Now we want it. Double check everything. Check 17 times, weld once. Oh yeah, dude. Here we go. And I gotta say, this ESAB welding helmet, this Rebel, it's pretty cool. I like it. Hey, oh that shit's hot. It's a little hot. After you weld, stuff's hot, but it's all together, it's even somewhat, because the tailgate's not even. We got it done. All right, we got some tools, because this fan is squeaking. Y'all hear that? Super annoying. So I'm gonna take it apart and figure out what's wrong with it.
Start it up.
Where's the noise coming from, Wes?
Somewhere right around here. It's not doing it all the time.
I know. Gotta spin it.
Yeah, see what's happening right there.
Nope. The belt is tight.
It's tight, yeah.
It's taut. It's taut. I hate it when people say taut.
Well, taut is a different word than tight. So, it makes sense.
No. No, no. We're in East Texas. You don't say taut. You say tight. That shit is tight. It is tightened up. It is not taut up. I don't care what anybody says. I'm just gonna spray some lithium grease on it. How about that? Let me go get some. We are waiting on our L brackets to cool, and again, ADHD we're gonna try to do something else. We're starting another project. That's how it goes. You see all these? This is all a result of ADHD. Yeah, this in here, this, not finished. All this crap, not finished, not finished, not finished. Projects everywhere. That's what happens. That's all it needed, man.
That bit grease.
A little bit of liquid wrench, white lithium grease. Man, it solved all our problems. I hope it solved our problems. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Be careful, there's no shroud. Oh, I gotta plug it in. That would probably help. Put it on low first. What? Nope, get you some of that.
All right, everybody. Welcome back to another J in the saga of the Journey HQ. What you working on, friendo?
Dude, I am still working on this old awning.
You're getting there, though.
Yeah, man. It's just been, you know, stuff happens.
Trial and error, busy life.
Yeah, and we're
Please
almost
your
done.
wife.
We're on the home stretch. We're gonna have this damn awning up today, for sure. I've got the bolts.
We're gonna come in, bust this out, so we can get back on this C10.
Yeah.
Check out who we got in the shop on Wednesdays. We got Mr. Scott Fifer.
Scotty,
He's
too
eating
hottie.
Taco Bell, and what do you got there?
I got some tomatoes on my tacos.
Oh yeah, what's in that cup?
This is a drink. That blast.
Baja Blast.
I can't do it like y'all.
We're trying to make a little progress on this stuff, and we're gonna bring y'all along the way, so we'll be back.
All right, Russell said we got to get a.
Quit saying Russell said.
Well, I mean, it was your suggestion
Russell suggested.
that we get a piece of metal to weld so our spacing's right. So I'm gonna go up here and get this.
You gonna climb this sketchy ass scaffolding?
Like a monkey. Woo!
Whoa, you about busted that ass, son.
I have cat-like reflexes. I'm trying to find a piece that's not too long. Will this work?
Yeah. You gotta chop it up. Oh, Scotty's got it.
Thank you. I'm gonna break my neck again.
Tell him, again? You broke your neck?
Right there.
Look at that gnarly scar. Do you feel accomplished, sir?
Yeah, thank you for your help.
Put your microphone up to your face.
I said thank you for your help, Russell. It was a lot easier. It'd have been nice if we'd have measured.
That middle hole on this side
I
is
know
not
why.
like it. It's in the mortar.
Well, you also, when I go in, once I go in, I stop, and then I try to just barely pull out because I don't want to take off anymore. So I just go.
I feel like I'm married to him sometimes. Hey, buddy. Here.
Hey, buddy, hey.
Yeah, buddy. Hey.
Did you have me one?
Yeah, I had
Do
you.
you
one.
have one for you now?
Yeah, I got one for me
Oh,
now.
okay. Good deal.
Just trying to help my wife out.
Thank you, sir.
I hope I didn't f up, baby.
You probably did. All this hard work. Moment of truth. You want to see?
No, no.
You scared?
Yeah. I don't hope, because You got to trust your welds all at the same time.
I
Well, we
trust
know
it.
it'll hold up a $1.25.
Oh, that thing just
You want some
overheated.
help?
I don't need no help.
Okay. We'll let him do it alone. He said he didn't want any help.
I might need help.
Working with my wife.
Let's do it. Oh, hey. Dude. It works. All right, so now this is up on the wall, and hopefully it's going to protect it from the rain coming in the building. But it's up there. Oh! Almost
You would have
busted it.
busted that ass.
Yeah, I didn't get a good grip on it. Ugh!
You done it, buddy.
It's done. On to the next project.
On to the next one.